Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Ito ang inyong monthly reading for July 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang. Okay, let's see. Aquarius, what's coming to you ngayong July 2024? Your overall energy is the Queen of Wands. Freedom. Ayan. So, maaring ngayong July, you will have, marami kang maaring gagawin, especially in travel. You will be traveling to more places or yung iba naman sa inyo, merong leadership role na parating. Pwedeng magiging OIC ka or ikaw yung magli-lead ka ng isang grupo. Some of you, pwede rin meron kayong promotion sa work, and you are more focused on your creative talents, your creative skills. So, kung ikaw ay self-employed, tapos into creative ka, yung gumagawa ka ng mga upuan, ng mga, ang tawag dyan, yung mga furnitures, di ba? So, you will use your creativity to become more abundant, no? Let's see your challenge. The Nine of Cups. Optimism. Okay. So, pwedeng isa sa challenge mo, mabilis kang mairita. Oo, yung tipong hindi mo lang nakuha agad-agad yung resulta na gusto mo, nafo-frustrate ka na agad. So, iwasan mo yun kasi there's always, there are a lot of reasons. Maraming dahilan para maging masaya tayo. Okay? Just being healthy, that is something to be grateful for. Okay? Let's see your opportunity. Wow! 10 of Pentacles as an opportunity. Grabe. So, this is about financial abundance. Maaring may inheritance. So, yung iba, pwedeng meron kayong madidiscover na mana ninyo. Meron pala kayong mamanahin sa lolo't lola nyo. Oh. 'Di ba? Or finally, mag-aasikaso na nung mga panaghahati-hatian sa family na mga resources. Okay? So some of you naman, maraming projects sa trabaho, maraming mga maraming income generating businesses. Let's see your blessing. What's the blessing? The Hermit. Okay, as a blessing, mas nagiging mature ka, no? Mas nag-i-improve ka in terms of yung pagiging wise, no? You're becoming wiser than ever. Marami ka ng, kumbaga tahimik ka lang pero ang dami mong alam. Ganun. And another blessing for you is peace of mind, okay? Some of you, kung kayo ay na-stress sa maraming bagay ng mga nakaraan, ngayong July, mas masasabi mo na you are at peace, okay? Some of you are healing from any pain, healing from your past. You are also doing your inner work. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo, you're doing some shadow work, no? Ano ba yung shadow work? Ibig sabihin niya, nagiging aware ka dun sa mga bagay na yung mga pag-uugali mo or yung mga bagay na alam mong dapat mong i-improve sa sarili mo. 'Di ba? Para, syempre kung you are an improved version of yourself, syempre mas marami kang ma-accomplish, mas merong peace of mind. Yung tinatawag na evolution. Okay, let's see. Queen of Wands. What is the Queen of Wands? The High Priestess. Wow, okay. And then the Ten of Pentacles. Wow, double yung Ten of Pentacles sa inyo. Alam nyo, Aquarius, your instinct is on point ngayong July na kung ano man yung decision making mo, ano yung sa tingin mong best for you, yun yung gagawin mo at makakakuha ka kaagad ng magandang resulta dyan. Especially in your career, in your finances. So you have the Three of Cups and the Ace of Swords. So yung iba sa inyo pwedeng magkaroon ng challenge sa connection mo, relationship mo with a friend, sa isang kaibigan. Pwede magkaroon ng tampuhan. At the same time, meron ka ring opportunity na ayusin yun. Pwedeng magkakausap kayo, pag-uusapan niyo yung problema, and eventually, maaayos. Okay? What is the Ten of Pentacles? Two of Pentacles. The Tower. Uy! Iba sa inyo, meron kayong unexpected na unexpected blessing. Oo, yung tipong hindi mo inaasahan tong opportunity na to na dadating sa'yo. At dahil doon, magbibigay ito ng mas maraming income sa'yo. Pwedeng meron palang bagong negosyo na kaya mo na palang i-open yun, simulan sa maliit na puhunan, no? Pero eventually, maganda yung balik, mas malaki yung balik. Or itong hinihintay mo na trabaho, na gusto mong isabay sa isa pang trabaho. Kasi iba, no? May mga iba't ibang clients na biglang, oops, ito na, ayan na yung opportunity for you. So, i-grab mo na yan. Unexpected. You have the Daughter of Swords and the Daughter of Cups. Oh, okay. Some of you, kung meron kayong naging issue with your children, kung meron na kayong anak, maaring ito ay mare-resolve ngayong July. Pwedeng may pag-uusap, magkakapatawaran, and eventually, no, you will restore, maibabalik ang dati nyong samahan. Can be anyone naman, but for some of you, anak to. Pero yung isa ba, pwedeng kaibigan, ganyan. Destiny. You are being led to your destiny, Aquarius. You are healing, like what I mentioned kanina. Part of your healing process is forgiving someone or forgiving yourself. Okay? And I think mas aware ka ngayon sa destiny mo eh. Kumbaga, alam mo na your soul's purpose, no? Alam mo na yung mission mo dito sa mundo. Wow, ganda, abundance. Tinan mo nga naman. So, you will have the results na gusto mo. May abundance, may prosperity. Money comes to you easily. May masaganang ani. Oh, yung iba sa inyo nagtatanim ng bawang ba to? Oo. Meron kayong bawang farm. Okay, let's see. What else? Okay. Everyone is on their own journey. Yes. So I think ito yung pagfo-focus sa sarili mong path, sa sarili mong landas. Kasi yung iba, kinukumpara nila yung sarili nila sa iba. Tapos parang pakiramdam nila, those people are better than them kasi nga maganda yung nangyayari sa buhay nila na hindi nila alam na kanya-kanya ng path yan. Hindi naman kasi pwedeng pare-pareho tayo lahat ganito ang ginagawa, 'di ba? May kanya-kanya tayong purpose. Okay? And I feel like you are finally realizing your purpose. Alam mo na ang iyong purpose. Meron kang reregaluhan or makaka-receive ka ng regalo from someone. Oo, kasi I feel like there is, parang nagsusorry siya, no? Meron ditong magbibigay ng peace offering sa'yo. Kaya niya ibibigay yan kasi, syempre siguro, feeling siya, ang tawag dyan, feeling guilty, no? Sa nagawa niya. Some of you naman, meron kayong reregaluhan, pwedeng vice versa yan. Ikaw yung feeling guilty about someone, so, sa nagawa mo, and then, hihingi ka ng tawad. Yung iba naman sa inyo, meron kayong pwedeng kaibigan, no, na, or kahit sino, no, can be anyone, na mas pakikinggan nyo. Yung tipong, hahayaan nyo na mag-confide sa'yo, magsabi ng sentimiento niya sa buhay, mag-rant sa'yo, pero hindi mo naman siya i-judge kasi andun ka lang willing to listen. Okay? Handa ka lang makinig sa kanya. Kasi yung iba, hindi naman talaga nila kailangan ng advice. Gusto lang nila na merong nakikinig sa kanila or may handang makinig at umintindi sa kanila. Okay? This can also be reversal, so pwedeng ikaw rin to, na magko-confide ka sa isang tao, sasabihin mo yung mga rants mo sa buhay, at kahit pa paano makakagaan yun sa pakiramdam mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. Bye!